Now let's revise with some parts of speech in the form of a poem. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand or bridal ring. The verb means action, something done, to read and write, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunction join in many ways, sentences, words or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out hark, I need an exclamation mark. Through poetry, we learn how each of these make up the parts of speech. So children, how did you like the poem? Isn't it interesting?
Yes, ma'am, it is very nice.
Okay, then let's complete this tree with the help of the poem. Tell me which 4 words from the poem can be written on the leaves connected with the branch noun.
Nouns are field, foundation, street, town.
Good. What will be the next part of speech? Which contain he, and which is the other option?
Pronouns he, she.
What comes after pronoun which has 4 leaves?
Verb, read, write, jump and run.
Okay. Now guess next part of speech with 2 examples.
Adjective, magic, bridal.
Coming to the other side, what will come with 4 options?
Adverb, quickly, slowly, badly, well.
What comes next with 2 examples?
Preposition, in, at.
Which part of speech has the option hark?
Interjection.
And at the last one with 2 options. Conjunction or and. Well done, children. Though it was a lengthy session, I hope you enjoyed it. Let's bid bye to meet again in the next English session. Goodbye.